Sorry, we got interrupted there. So this is part 2 of that same problem. So like I said, it's important to get nice graphing points that we pick numbers that are divisible by 3. So let me pick 0 is always a good one, right? Because any number will divide 0. And then let me pick 3 itself, and then maybe 6. Okay. And now I just have to go about working out, plugging these numbers in. So I'm going to plug in 0. And all I do is y is equal to 2/3 times 0 plus 7. Well, 0 times 2/3, really 0 times anything, is just 0. That's why it's such a nice number to plug into equations. And then 0 plus 7 is 7. So really that means that the pair for 0, or the matching y, is 7. Okay. Now we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to plug in 3. Y is equal to 2/3 times 3 plus 7. Now, some of you might be a little rusty on multiplying fractions and whole numbers together, but you can do it 2 ways. You can do 3 times 2, which is 6, divided by 3, which is 2. The way I like to do it, particularly when I know that this number divides this one, is to divide first. It doesn't really matter if you divide or multiply first. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, times 2 is just equal to 2. If I'm doing this too fast and you just want to see how to multiply a number times a fraction, I can put together another video or find another video for you. But so that means that if x, back up to our table, if x is 3, then y is 9. And lastly, let's plug in, what do we have? Last thing on our list is 6. Plug in a 6. Y is equal to 2/3 times 6 plus 7. So 6 divided by 3 is 2, and then 2 times 2 is 4. So y is equal to 4 plus 7, or y is equal to 11. And that's our third point up here. Now, of course, you know, on my math lab, you're going to have a nice coordinate plane to graph this on. It shouldn't be too bad. Here we would have what? Something like 0, 7. This would be 0, 7. And then 3, 9 would be like right here. 6, 11 might or might not fit on your my math lab graph, but it would be up here. Remember, the third point is just to check for the reasonableness of your graph, and it's pretty clear that they all look like they fall on a straight line, which is important. So I hope that helps. Oh, you might not have seen my little work down here. Sorry about that. Just for the last thing, the plugging in the 6. I hope that helps.